got the Glock 19X's, my buddy Noah's gun. Got threaded barrel on there. He just got the TLR, what's this, 7X, you said? And something special, we're about to introduce this to y'all, the suppressor for this thing. What is this,
Obsidian 9.
Obsidian 9 suppressor. He originally got it for the MP5, but as you can see, it also, might take me a little bit here, but it also goes on the Glock. So we're gonna be shooting that tonight, and we're gonna see how it goes. Glock 45. It's another one we're gonna be shooting tonight. Go ahead. Clay, what's the thoughts on this 19X right now, man?
Right now the suppressor for it's hot as crap. It's dirty.
Real dirty.
It's got a new light on it though. Trying to think.
What you think, Noah?
It's alright. It'll work.
Yeah. Think about putting that red dot on it though still.
Yep.
Clay's going at no suppressor. See how she runs.